My G80 already sounds insane with my new mid pipe. But the front end, still stock. Today though, that changes because we just got our new carbon fiber front lip. And trust me, this is gonna change everything. You see, I've been wanting a new lip for a while now, just because this front end is not aggressive enough. But don't get me wrong, this front end is not too bad. It's still got that nice black contrast. It's just not gonna match the aggressiveness that we want, the angles. We gotta do something about this front end. And that's why I chose front lip. I didn't wanna lower the car yet, but I wanted something to give it more of a low stance. You know, something to change the perspective and add a little bit of carbon. So fellas, that's why in the world of front lips, carbon fiber front lips, we landed on this guy. But real quick, you're probably wondering, why am I wearing this cowboy hat? Well, I do indeed live on a farm. And as you can see, I got very pale skin, so we like to try to keep the sun off the face, you know, off the nose, if you know what I mean. So leave a comment down below if you've ever seen a G80 driver wear a cowboy hat. I don't think I've seen that yet. Enough of that, fellas. This is the front lip we decided to go with. Out of all the plethora of options we could have chose, you already know, we're keeping it OEM plus. We are going with an M performance style front lip. This is not indeed an OEM one, just because I am not about to be dropping 2,500 bucks for a front lip when I can get it for like 500 bucks. So fellas, we gotta cut costs somewhere because I just think it's absurd to pay $2,500 for a lip that's probably gonna get damaged. So that is why we went with this one from BimmerNetwork. Quality still seems very, very nice. This is a little dusty right now, but very solid. And the reason I wanted to keep it somewhat OEM is because I like this lip a lot. I thought about doing the V-style lip. You know, OEM plus, OEM look. I want to try to keep it traditional. That is why I decided to go with the M Performance one. And I still like the look of the M Performance lip compared to something like the V-style. The V-style or the Vorsteiner is a really, really nice lip, but I just think it sticks out a little bit too much. This guy, it's like your stock. Just a little bit more carbon and a little bit more aggressive nature. Now it's the fun part. Let's try and get this guy installed. This is where a right angle drill would come in very handy. Doing this the old-fashioned way, guys. Well, I managed to get one of them off. This has got to be one of the hardest things to do by yourself. I actually had to grab another person just to be able to separate it right here. To be able to get that bolt, that 8 mil right there. We were able to actually get one. Now it's for the other side. I recommend 2 people for this job because it is kicking my butt. Almost about to tap out. It's just the fitment with this 10 mil or this 8 mil by myself and then trying to get these little guys in there. Oh, my hands. This is probably the most I've ever struggled on a front lip install. There's no way it can be this hard. Maybe it's just because I'm on a slope or on a hill going down, so I have like no clearance. Look at my hands. I can't even feel them right now. It shouldn't be like this. But you know what? We're not gonna let that stop us. We got a little bit of light left, a little bit of sun. We're gonna keep powering through. I think we can do this. The only thing that's motivating me right now is how good this guy looks with this lip. Oh my gosh, guys, the angles, the aggressiveness, this is exactly what I wanted. Now let's get this finished. Alrighty fellas, the lip is finally done after, it's probably been 2 hours and I'm ready to go to bed. So let's check her out. that makes up for it just a little bit. Cold starts always make me happy. Just as the sun is going down, this timing is perfect. I can't tell you how much more aggressive this car looks. It is, fellas, man, it has been a minute since we have done any exterior mods, and this is our first one. I wouldn't count the wheels just because technically that is OEM, we just changed the color, but this right here marks our first cosmetic mod to this car, and I couldn't be happier. I mean, look at how aggressive it looks. It honestly makes the car look way lower than it is, and I can't even imagine if we put this thing on springs. This right now, with this current setup on springs, would look insane. It would be so OEM plus, it would look so crispy, so classy. So overall, I'm very, very happy with the look. Obviously the install, man, without two people, it is a nightmare, but I think the end result is definitely worth it. I think this looks awesome. Let me know what lip you guys would go with, whether or not it'd be the M Performance style like this guy, V style or Vorsteiner or any other design. Comment down below, man. I want to know. This guy I think is the perfect touch of OEM as well as aggressiveness. So that is why I ended up going with this guy. And I think we're gonna turn heads now. I think we're definitely gonna be turning heads. So that's it from me on my end. I appreciate you guys hanging out, and I'm super stoked to see where this car is gonna go. We are just getting started. So make sure you guys are hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, especially if you want to stay tuned on this journey. We are at the bottom right now, fellas, but trust me, we are going to be at the top of the mountain very, very soon. This guy is just getting started. So once again, appreciate it, guys. Much love, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.